Oh shit, nigga. Look at this crazy shit. I'm gonna deliver the mail today for Langdon. Everybody's gonna be like, I didn't get my daily club on the motherfucking letter. I'm getting pissed. Oh shit, I'm gonna have this motherfucker drive off a cliff because I need my motherfucking teddy bear I got from Amazon.com. I need my motherfucking shutterfly pictures for my fucking fat ass jelly rolls. Fucking cock-sucking motherfuckers. Look at this shit I gotta drive in. I mean, really. Fucking really. The shit I gotta take, drive this motherfucker through fucking 10 piles of snow. I go to fucking Osbrock. Fucking bitches, I mean, she's hot, don't get me wrong. Like, I'd fucking, you know, I'd give her a little D. But, bitches out there shoveling. Right when I pull up, it's like, you guys, how many fucking hours to shovel that motherfucker? You wait till I fucking get there and you go out there and shovel, start shoveling. And then she stood there and looked at me like, you gonna help me? There's another extra shovel over there. Shit. I just drove through fucking 10 pounds of motherfucking snow. You know what the fucking hot ass heifer told me? How was the roads? How was the road? Shit. Are you fucking kidding me? How was the trip? You tell me, bitch. You wanna drive in this motherfucker? You wanna drive in this shit? Man, I found the lost fucking Lannis of motherfucking shit over here. They're looking for Atlantis, the motherfucking shit's over in the fucking snow. Hitting that fucking bank over here. Fucking Titanic's behind me, man. I fucking ran that bitch over 3 times. Fucking stupid heifers, man. Are you gonna help shovel? Bitch, you can suck my motherfucking ball sack. I ain't fucking shoveling for your fucking hot ass heifer ass. And I take out the dinner and fucking finger your pussy hole and then never call you again. How about that? Alright, that's my rant for the day. Fucking bullshit. Oh, I didn't get my Amazon Prime package today. Motherfucker, you can wait. You know what I'm saying? You want me to wreck this big ass truck off here and have the motherfucking news come over here? White man in a big old Penske truck you just wrecked off the side of the road, slipped the motherfucker off. And the guy whines because he didn't get his motherfucking Amazon Prime package today. Well, I'm sorry, motherfucker. Eat a dick.